Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's winding down, Veganuary is, and we have got a very fun, delicious recipe for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day or Tuesday night. Who knows? But you can have this anytime. It's a no-bake situation. It is also very rich, so it's not an every night dessert. It's more of a special occasion dessert. And it's going to come together really easily, all in the blender or food processor. And it can be made gluten-free, but I'm not making it gluten-free today because I want to use up these graham crackers that you had made a cheesecake over Christmas with this. And I got some graham crackers I want to use up. So this is kind of a no-bake chocolate cheesecake delight.
Yeah.
They're all delightful. What can I say? So we're going to do this the easy way. Since this is going to be so decadent, we're not going to go through the trouble of making a crust on the bottom that has the butter in it and everything. We're just going to go old school and put some
layers.
Some graham crackers on the bottom without anything else. And they don't have to match up exactly. I mean, you know, do the best you can for your size pan. I'm just going to go with a nice single layer like that. So we're going to set this aside because that's what our finished product is going to go in. Now, in my Vitamix over here, I've got about 12 ounces of dates, and don't worry, all of the measurements and ingredients are going to be in the info box below. If you miss it, and you guys have been so great telling me the ones that I missed in the info box, I really appreciate it so much. I mean, I'm usually trying to do 10 things at a time, so I appreciate you guys checking up on me. I really love it. So, got our dates. We're going to be adding some vegan cream cheese. I have this Violife original cream cheese. Don't get them all with the chives or anything like that unless you want chive chocolate cheesecake, which I don't think you do.
Just gonna go out on a limb there and say no.
Yeah, I'm gonna say that's a hard pass. So we're gonna put this in. If you don't have the blender that has the plunger on it, you might want to do this in the food processor because I feel like this is going to be pretty thick. And I don't think a regular blender is going to cut it. We're also going to put in some vanilla extract. I like to do 2 splashes. And then we have some silken tofu. And the thing about this is don't try and use like the firm tofu or anything because it's going to taste like sweet stir fry.
No.
You want the silken. It's a whole different animal than the regular one. So it's very soft. It's very pudding-like. You're going to want this one. So we're going to put the whole pack in. Ooh, this is getting full.
Yes.
Maybe I should have used the food processor. Let's make sure we get all of it in there. Take it out. All right. And then we also, final ingredient, well, besides maybe some non-dairy milk to lighten the load here a little bit because this is going to be a lot to mix. It's going to be quite thick, so we might need something to help us out. We're going to do, woo, that is powdery. We have nice quality cacao here. So we're going to do 3/4 of a cup. Oh, it's gonna be so rich in chocolate.
Oh yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna go meet over at the blender. You
See
know
you
what
there.
time it is. Blend it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh,
Good luck.
thank you. I think we need a little liquid.
I think so.
It's a bit much. Alright, so I have some oat milk here, original. It's not the super thick one. I'm just gonna put a little bit in and see what happens. It's probably 3 tablespoons, not even a quarter cup. That's a little better. All right, you want to make sure that this is smooth as a baby's buttock. You don't want to see any pieces of anything in here. So this is the easy part. We're just going to pour it into the pan with the graham crackers.
We're gonna find out if it's really blended.
Yes, true. Here we go.
Ooh, look how silky.
Right?
Silky nutmeg ganache.
Imagine. So after we scrape all of this, oh, somebody's gonna get a nice chocolate mousse popsicle here.
Whoa.
Sean, would you like this? He said, I don't know what's going on over there.
Lou!
No, Minnie, you can't have
No, I know she can't have it, but just saying hello. Look at that.
Uh-oh, what happened here?
Maybe
No,
it's not
okay.
blended all the way.
No, it's all right.
Okay. You can really smell the cacao.
Yes. I just don't want to disturb the crackers.
Sure.
All right, so I'm going to put this in the freezer and let it set up. I would recommend taking it out of the freezer and letting it sit like an ice cream cake, like if you were serving an ice cream cake for like half an hour or so before you're ready to eat.
How long do you think it needs in the freezer to set?
I would say it probably needs several hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll see you in several hours.
Okay. Oh, so beautiful. So out of focus.
It's looking wonderful.
So
oh my goodness.
you don't even really have to let it thaw out a little bit. I mean, how long has it been in there? A couple hours?
More than a couple.
And it's nice
Several
and
hours, like we said.
yeah, it's nice and soft.
Yeah.
You know, it was nothing to there we go. That looks amazingly delicious.
It looks really silky.
Yeah.
And I love cheesecake, so
All right, well, let's see what you think.
okay. Ooh, that tastes. I mean, it smells chocolatey delicious.
Yes.
I've been wanting a chocolate cheesecake for a while.
Well, let's see what you think.
It's cold.
Is that a nice Valentine's Day treat, do you think? Or
I think so.
Galentine's?
That's lovely.
How's the texture?
For me, it's more of like a mousse texture.
Yeah.
Whereas like a cheesecake would have like that denser feel to it.
Right.
This is light and fluffy.
Well, this is a no-bake.
Mm-hmm.
A baked cheesecake would be dense.
Delicious.
Oh, how
I really
nice.
like it. I think, sorry, it's cold. I'm such a Goldilocks. The temperature?
You could let it warm up to room temperature.
Yeah.
And I think it would be fine.
I just have really sensitive teeth. But
Yeah.
it would be even better, like you could take it to the next level by slicing up some strawberries
Oh.
or raspberries or something and just sprinkling them on the top.
Yes.
Or like a cherry or something.
Okay. Or some shaved chocolate.
Yeah, well, I think like a nice fruity.
Oh, you think fruit would be better?
Yeah, but this is, I'm very excited to have this for dessert tonight.
Okay. Enjoy.
I will, I guess I should.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a second, but
You should probably take care of business first and then
yes,
enjoy
and then
your dessert.
So, they actually, even a banana would be nice with this. Chocolate banana.
Okay.
So, thank you all so much for joining us today. We hope you give this a try because it is really delicious and
Join
really
us
easy.
for more of Veganuary.
Yes.
We're getting down to the nitty-gritty here.
I know.
But don't worry. There's going to be more.
Yeah, we still got delicious stuff coming up. So,
Well, I
thank
mean,
you all.
after Veganuary,
Yeah.
too.
Of course. Thank you all again so much. Let us know if you give this a try. And until next time, much love.